बताना चाहते हैं, गले लगाना चाहते हैं और आपका तरक्की देखना चाहते हैं। हम वादा कर रहे हैं, किसी ने हिम्मत नहीं है आपको यहाँ से बुलाने के लिए।
I have with me the firebrand speaker, the competitor to Asaduddin Owaisi in Hyderabad, Madhvi Lata. Madhvi ji, not much was known about you when you became the candidate. How has life been and how has it changed in the last few weeks since you got nominated?
See, I may not be politically known to the world or the country, but I am known at my place for my social work. I've been working with all the communities, especially with women. In fact, you would be surprised, I've almost done in a year 1,000 free medical camps from my trust. I've also declared a year back 1,008 free deliveries for the women of Hyderabad Lok Sabha. And we've been working towards them, and the maximum percentage of women who have taken the benefit of it are Muslim Pasmanda women.
But not much is known about you. People are very curious about you still. I know that you have been a Bharatnatyam dancer, an NCC cadet, a shooter, an activist, a worker on ground. You run a hospital here. But if for the national audience, if you were to describe yourself in one line, how would you describe yourself?
I would say I am the mother for the people who are motherless or who are orphans. In fact, I am voice of the voiceless.
But here it's a very tough fight. People are calling you a political novice. You are here amongst Muslim women particularly, but people are calling you a political novice. How confident are you about your chances? How confident are you about your chances from this constituency?
See, I would only say that my chances are very, very, very high, and I'm very confident for the one simple reason, because in the 40 years there has been no justice to anybody from the Hyderabad Parliament, irrespective of caste, creed and gender. And I am here to not to talk about the religion. I am here to talk about the problems, the issues, the underdevelopment here and the injustice done to the people here, to the voters of this constituency.
I saw that your pitch was particularly very emotional as a woman to Muslim women. You worked here against triple talaq, particularly amongst Muslim women. Why should they vote for you as a woman, as you were, inspiring them to?
Because we all belong to the same fraternity. A woman only can understand the pain of another woman. A woman only can trust one more woman. Man could never understand us, right?
So is it particularly about grabbing Muslim women vote for you and the BJP?
No, it is about every woman here who is in poverty, every woman here who is still being downtrodden, every woman who belongs to SC, ST, OBC, Muslim, Hindu, Christian, what not. The issue is about the sheer poverty. The issue is here about the injustice. The issue here about that what is their right that they need to get is not being getting. And a woman only can feel this pain.
But ma'am, how will you break the Owaisi's holds, particularly on the Muslim electorate?
Because it's so simple. He has not done anything till date. He hasn't done anything till date. And the way they have put the kind of fear on a voter, I am here to break that fear. I don't care what he does.
Where do you get this confidence from?
It comes from pain. It comes when you have seen the real life. It comes when you have come up all by yourself. It comes when you want to do justice to people. It comes if you have done social service with your hard-earned money and not by else's money.
There is no denying that Madhvi Lata has enthused not just the constituents in Hyderabad, results we will see, but actually I'm joined by members and supporters of the BJP from across the country and even the world. Where are you, sir, from?
I am from Pune, Maharashtra.
And you've come here to support Madhvi Lata.
I have come here to support Madhavi Lata because, see, in 1938, Hyderabad got liberated because of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel from a very bad things which were done by the Razakars. I am not saying they're Razakars now, but the Hyderabad still needs to be liberated, and Madhavi Lata ji is fighting like a tigress, and it is our support from Maharashtra which has to give and help her to win.
So they brought this poster as well, Har Ghar Savarkar, हर घर सावरकर समिति महाराष्ट्र राज्य से आप आए हैं, माधवी लता फॉर भाग्यनगर. How many people have come from you?
We are about 20 people.
From Maharashtra.
Yeah. No, not from Maharashtra. Maharashtra, now these guys are from
You
US.
are from the US. You are from the overseas BJP supporters, right? So you've come particularly for Madhvi Lata or for other candidates also?
So we came for the actually for the Pune constituency, and then with the Har Ghar Savarkar team, we are here for 3 days to campaign for Madhvi Lata, and we are representing overseas friends of BJP from Los Angeles.
So what do you like about Madhvi Lata?
Madhvi Lata is basically working at the grassroots level, and Modi ji is able to bring the normal karyakarta to the leadership circle. That is very interesting about the Madhvi Lata.
But will she win?
Marathi Manus has come to support Madhavi Lata. She will win up ki bar 400 par. Jai Maharashtra, Jai Shivaji, Jai
I also came from
Bhavani.
Los Angeles. I'm also from Los Angeles.
Yeah.
And we like her spirit and we like her uniting all kinds of people. That's the fantastic thing which is absolutely needed.
Yeah.
We're very, very happy.
Yeah, I'm Bharadwaj. I'm Bharadwaj. I'm retired with Singareni Collieries. I was there in Atlanta, where see how many people are supporting, right from Kashmir to Kanyakumari.
They're supporting BJP.
BJP, and so I just got her my program and is to support her Madhavi Lata with it.
Madhvi Lata is being called Jhansi ki Rani.
झांसी की रानी, she is fighting as a झांसी की रानी against
Sir, Marathi.
But जीतेंगे.
जीतेंगे, हमेशा जीतेंगे. क्यों मन में आता है नहीं जीतेंगे, जीतेंगे ही जीतेंगे.
क्यों जीतना जरूरी है उनका?
राष्ट्र के लिए, मोदी के लिए, अपना हिंदुओं के लिए जीतना है, हमें जीतना है. 38 में मेरा फादर इधर था रिवॉल्यूशन में, और आज हम हैं इनके साथ. इनके लेके आए हैं हम कि उस टाइम नहीं थे हम, इस टाइम हम हैं.
तो हैदराबाद को भाग्यनगर बनाना जरूरी है आप मानते हैं?
That depends on Modi. Let him decide. मोदी जी है तो मुमकिन है. हम सियासत में नहीं आना चाहते. हमको खाली हिंदुस्तान, सबका विकास, सबका विकास.
All right. So there you heard it from members, supporters of the BJP from across the country and the world. Madhvi Lata certainly is a firebrand speaker. She's a fighter. She may be a newcomer, but she's giving a tough fight, a spirited fight at least, regardless of what the results may be. With camera person Vikas Rawat in Hyderabad, Shivani Gupta, CNN News 18.